Now children, it's time to know about the names of different types of mango, so that whenever you get chance to go in the market to buy mangoes, you don't get confused. Search yourself in the market for the following types of mangoes and decide whichever type of mango you want to purchase and enjoy it. See, here it is, Hafuz mango, that is called Alfonso, then Kesar. Here it comes Totapuri, Langdo, and Daseri and Badam. These are the few types of mangoes which are very famous and favorite among all. These are considered to be the better quality mangoes. And do you know the king of fruit? We consider it mango. Okay? So these are few names of mangoes, and here on page number 4 you can see how you can draw mango in different shapes. Here you can see rectangle, oval shape, elliptical, you can say. This is triangle, this is again triangle. So in these different shapes you can try to draw mango either inside or outside those shapes. This is the circular shape in which design of mango is drawn. Here the mango itself is drawn in triangle and circle. See, this is how, and this type of activity is given in your workbook. Now something new to know about, here you can see India produces approximately 1 crore 60 lakh tons of mangoes every year, and here you can see the comparison between 1 ton and kg. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. This is something which is new to you. So you can see while we are going through the textbook of mathematics, you have come across haiku, then you have come across mango, different names of types of mangoes, different shapes, and now unit we are talking about large quantity of mangoes. Large scale mangoes can be measured in tons, and 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg, and 1 crore 60 lakh tons of mangoes India approximately produces. India is the biggest producer of the mangoes in the world, and Uttar Pradesh does the largest production of mangoes in India. If we talk about the states, Uttar Pradesh is the largest production of mangoes. And do you know what is the size of the biggest mango? The biggest mango weighing 3.435 kg, and here you can see the picture, and it is displayed in Philippines, and it was, what was its length? 30.48 centimeter, or in other words 12 inches in length, and its circumference is, that is 49.53 in circumference and 17.78 centimeter in breadth. तो इस तरह से इसका ये डायमेंशन साइज दिया गया है, द बिगेस्ट मैंगो, राइट. Now children, the plantations of mango are called Ambawadi, and mango bears flower which is called more in the season of spring, and after that it bears mango fruits. Mangoes are picked from the trees and piled on the ground, then they are segregated, matlab separated out the good ones, better quality from the poor quality, and packed in different boxes as per their quality, और उस क्वालिटी के हिसाब से पैकिंग किया जाता है. द बेस्ट क्वालिटीज़ आर सेपरेटेड आउट and it's packed in a separate box, then poorer than that is packed in another, and the least quality is packed in a separate box. These boxes are sent to the marketing yard for sale. और इस तरह से मैंगो को मैनेज किया जाता है, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मैंगो is managed. When mango is transported, boxes of mangoes are ready and are transported to the marketing yard, then several different vehicles are used for transportation. Here you can see the old way of transporting, that is bullock cart. Then here you can see the tractor. These are the vehicles used for transporting mango produced. These are the vehicles. This is a van. Here you can see a tempo, small tempo, and this is tractor. The carriage or the carrier is not fixed at the back. So these are the several vehicles which are used for transportation. So you can see we are not only talking about a crop, a fruit, mango, but we are talking about its type, then how it is produced, what is the place where it is produced called, the types of mango, then the unit used for weight, and now we are going to talk about distances when vehicles carry mangoes from one place to another. How do you calculate the cost of transportation charge and the cost of the quantity of mangoes sent by the farmers or the dealers. Okay. Now children, before we learn about the calculation of quantity of mangoes or cost of mangoes, I would like to share a tongue twister which is present in your textbook, page number 12, and you all can try it at home. Raw mango, ripe mango, mango sour, mango sweet. Raw mango, ripe mango, sour mango, sweet mango. Sour mango, sweet mango, raw mango, ripe mango, mango sour, mango sweet, mango raw, mango ripe. And try to repeat it rapidly and you see how you do it. This is a tongue twister. This you can practice with your friends. Isn't it fun? Now we move on to the calculation part, where you will be knowing some big numbers, larger numbers, and you will learn to calculate. Look at this table and calculate. Example is already given in the textbook, page number 9. Why I am showing this? Because this type of sums you are going to do or solve in your workbook. We don't have a particular exercise at the back of the textbook, but we will be following the textbook, which is going to cover up the whole chapter. Okay. Now here you see questions are given above the table. How many kilo mangoes each vehicle can transport in its 7 trips? Then second question, how much distance is covered by a tractor in 6 hours? And the third one, how much time will be taken by a rickshaw trailer to cover 60 kilometers? ये क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स देने से पहले आप क्या करोगे? जो टेबल दिया गया है उसको अच्छी तरह से ऑब्जर्व करोगे, रीड करके आप अपने जहन में डाल दोगे क्या दिया गया है, and then you will move on to the question so that you can answer the questions with the help of the knowledge you have attained from the table. So the table is all about types of vehicles, and which are the types of vehicles given: bullock cart, rickshaw trailer, tractor and truck. 4 vehicles. Then transportation of mangoes in a trip. Per trip, एक ट्रिप में कितना मैंगो each vehicle, each type of vehicle is carrying, and it is in kilogram. Okay, 200 means 200 kg. Okay, तो किलोग्राम आपको तो पता ही है, it is unit of weight, larger unit of weight. So standard larger unit of weight, 200 kilo. Bullock cart, in one trip it carries 200 kg. And what is the speed of the vehicle? Distance covered in kilometer in 1 hour. So this is distance covered. 1 घंटे में ये vehicle कितना किलोमीटर कवर करते हैं, ये दिया गया है. सो बुलॉक कार्ट कवर्स 4 किलोमीटर in 1 hour. So how many kilometers? 4 kilometers, and every 4 kilometer it can carry how many kgs? 200 kg. Okay. रिक्शा ट्रेलर 600 kg और स्पीड है व्हीकल का कितना? 12 किलोमीटर in 1 hour. फिर ट्रैक्टर 800 kg 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Obviously the vehicles running on motors are faster than the vehicles moving with the help of animals. Then truck, it can carry, the capacity of truck is far more than the tractor. It carries 6000 kilogram and its speed is 44 kilometer in 1 hour. So this is the table given to you. Based on this table you are going to answer the question. Let's see. What is the first question? How many kg mangoes each vehicle can transport in its 7 trip? अभी एक ट्रिप में बुलॉक कार्ट कैरीज 200 kg in 1 trip. And how many kgs you have to how many trips you have to calculate for? 7 trips. तो किस तरह से आप कैलकुलेट करोगे? You will multiply 200 with 7. It actually goes like this. इस तरह से होता है, मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. So as per the first question, you are asked to calculate out quantity of mangoes carried by each vehicle in their 7 trip. So first we will talk about bullock cart. Okay, एक ट्रिप में how many kilogram of mangoes it's carrying? 200 kg of mango it's carrying. So how will you calculate it? We are going to calculate like this: quantity of mangoes in 7 trip. So दो parts, trip and QTY, that is quantity. Okay, एक ट्रिप में कितना किलो? 200 kg. Okay, and in how many trips you have to find out? 7. Okay, so here we write 7 trips and your question mark. तो मिल गया जवाब आपको. किस तरह से आपको कैलकुलेट करना है? You are supposed to find out the quantity of mangoes carried by bullock cart in 7 trips. So you will multiply the quantity of mangoes in 1 trip with the number of trips. Okay, तो इन दोनों को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, you are going to multiply 7 with 200 and what do you get? 7 2s are 14 और पीछे ये दो 0 और यूनिट क्या आएगा? kg, किलोग्राम. 1400 kilogram a bullock cart is going to carry in 7 trip. Okay, now we will check with the other vehicles. रिक्शा ट्रेलर, इसी तरह से आप रिक्शा ट्रेलर का कैलकुलेट करिए. यहाँ पे 600 है तो क्या करोगे आप? 600 को किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 7 के साथ, बिकॉज यू आर सपोज टू फाइंड आउट फॉर 7 ट्रिप्स. If it is 5 trip, then you will multiply with 5. If it is 2 trip, then you will multiply with 2 over here. So now 6 7s are. इस तरह का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज़ वेरी इजी व्हेन जीरोज आर एट द बैक. पहले दो डिजिट को आप सिंगल डिजिट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are or 7 6s are. You should know the tables. 42 and behind how many zeros? 2 zeros. 4200 kilogram. Then what about tractor? Let's check with the tractor. Tractor is again carrying 800 kg in 1 trip. So for tractor it's going to be 800 multiplied by 7. That gives you 8 7s are 56 and behind 2 zeros, that's equal to 5600 kilogram. And when we talk about truck, is 6000 kilogram. So For truck, the calculation is going to be like this. It's 6,000 multiplied by 7. 6 sevens are 42, and behind 3 zeros. It's 42,000 kilograms of mango truck can carry in 7 trips. Okay, so you can see I've taught you how to calculate the quantity of mangoes carried by different vehicles in the given number of trips. Okay, तो इस तरह से आप कैलकुलेट करोगे, है ना आसान. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू आर गोइंग टू कम अक्रॉस इन द वर्कबुक. बट बिफोर दीज कैलकुलेशंस you are going to, or we are going to discuss about numbers, larger numbers, how to write numbers in thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Is that clear? So in our next video we are going to do the exercises which are given in the workbook, and that's how we are going to proceed forward in this, or proceed in this chapter. Okay, let's move on to the next question of the part. Example, here you can see how much distance is covered by a tractor in 6 hours. Distance, speed is given to you, that in 1 hour what is the distance covered? 4 kilometer covered by bullock cart, then rickshaw trailer 12 kilometers. But these kilometers distance which is given, it is in 1 hour they are covering. And what is the question? It's for the tractor, and how much distance does it cover in 6 hours. What are you going to do? You search out the tractor. 20 kilometer it covers in 1 hour. Then how much it can cover in 6 hours? Simple, same way, 2 parts, time and distance. You will take 2 parts of it, time and distance. Okay, 1 hour it covers 20 kilometer, then 6 hours, how many kilometers? So what are you going to do? Cross multiplication. 6 multiplied by 20, that's equal to 120. So we get 120 kilometer. Why are we writing kilometer? Because we are supposed to find out the distance. Okay, so this is how we answered the second question of the given example. Now we move on to the next one. How much time will be taken by a rickshaw trailer to cover 60 kilometer? Okay, वही parts, time and distance, जैसे हमने previous question में किया था, वहाँ पे हमको क्या find करना था? Distance find करना था. Time दिया गया था, and here you have to find out the time for the given distance. Okay, so and the vehicle which is taken is rickshaw trailer. Here you can see rickshaw trailer, और आपको इस part of the table you have to see 12 kilometers in 1 hour. So what we have? We have 2 parts, one of distance, the other one of time. Let's see how it can be calculated. Here you see for the rickshaw trailer, from the textbook we have to, you first write down the 2 parts, time and distance. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour for rickshaw trailer, it is given 12 kilometer, and in the question you have to find out the time for how much time does it take to cover 60 kilometer. So here question mark. 1 hour Distance covered 12 kilometer. Then for 60 kilometer, how much time the rickshaw trailer will take? So again, you can see here which one is left out, 12, and 60 multiplied by 1 divided by 12, or in other words you can do it like this: same unit, same side, so division you will carry out, because in cross multiplication 60 is to multiplied with 1. So with what you are going to divide 60 kilometer? By 12 kilometer. So time taken will be 60 divided by 12, because both the figures are on same side or under the same unit. So we are following division. 60 divided by 12, you speak out the table of 12. 12's table you should be knowing. 12 5s are 60. And which section it is? It is time. So what will be the unit? It will be hours. 5 hours. In 1 hour, rickshaw trailer covers 12 kilometers. Then for 60 kilometers, time taken by the rickshaw trailer will be 5 hours. ओके, इस तरह से सारे कैलकुलेशंस करने होंगे जब आप इस तरह का सम्स वर्कबुक में सॉल्व करोगे तब. इज दैट क्लियर? होप you have understood. So you won't be scared of or worried when you see these type of tables in your workbook, and below these tables when you find several questions, don't get confused. Read out the table carefully, then read the question one at a time and answer it properly. Nothing is difficult. Enjoy maths like game, and you will see that you will be able to solve each and every sums of your book. Till I come with the next video, goodbye.